How to stop a recurring payment in Chase Bank. Hey everybody, if you guys are also wondering how to do so, you may follow up the steps. The first step you can do is you can head over the application of Chase Bank and you can head over to payments and transfer option, which is on the second option. And then once you go ahead and tap on payment and transfer, this menu appears on your screen. Now what you may do is from here look out for pay bills option. Just go ahead and tap on it. And here you may just go ahead and tap on it and select the activity. For example, bill pay, tap on it. And once you tap on it, here it will show you e-bills history, everything. You can look out for that. Tap on it. And when you do, here it will show you all of your scheduled payments, which is the recurring payment in Chase Bank. So what you may do is find the specific payment that you want to cancel. Here are different payments available. You may look out for manage option within and tap on it. After you tap on it there, you will be finding the payment details, everything about it. Now here in the bottom left corner, you can find an option called cancel payment. You may look out for that option and tap on it first. And once you tap on it, it will give you option if you would like to cancel only the next payment or if you would like to cancel the entire series of the payment that was recurring. So you may select one of the method. After that is done, you can just go ahead and confirm it and wait for that to be happen. But before that, you may also read the policy of recurring payment, which is automatic repeating and future data payments must be cancelled by 10 a.m. ET on the day the payment is scheduled to be sent. So we have this policy available. If it is after 10 a.m. ET on the after the same day the schedule is to be sent, we cannot cancel it. And payments created after 8 p.m. ET that are scheduled to be sent on the next business day must be cancelled before 8 p.m. ET on the send on date. And payments created before 8 p.m. ET that are scheduled to be sent on the same day must also be cancelled before 8 p.m. ET. And payments made from a Chase credit card and scheduled for the same day cannot be cancelled. So these are some of the policies you should be knowing before you are trying to stop a recurring payment in Chase Bank. Otherwise, you may just follow up this process and you should be able to stop the recurring payment in Chase Bank. So that is it. So that's it. You may follow up this method if you would like to do so. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.